Cuboid pad. Introducing our DOLA Cuboid pad, a modified metatarsal dome available in small, medium, large and extra large sizes. Customization of the DOLA Pro with the addition of a cuboid pad. To create a cuboid pad, modify a self-adhesive pour-on metatarsal dome by placing it on the dorsal surface of the DOLA Pro under the cuboid and removing the tail section. This modification is used to support the cuboid, support the lateral column for cuboid syndrome, lateral ankle instability, and for all perineal pathologies. Complete your DOLA Pro with a customized top cover and dispense. For our complete range of EVA and pour-on additions, please visit DOLAOrthotics.com. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook for latest news, education and training.